future of travel with AI look like? Well, picture this: fully autonomous vehicles that whisk you away to your destination while you sit back and enjoy the ride. No more navigating through traffic or searching for parking. Imagine checking into an AI-powered hotel where your room is already set to your preferred temperature, lighting, and even music. You could potentially walk into a room that feels like home, no matter where in the world you are. What about having a personalized AI travel guide at your disposal? This AI companion could offer real-time recommendations based on your preferences, making your trip truly one of a kind. And let's not forget about space travel. AI could play a vital role in exploring the vast expanses of space, from navigating spacecraft to analyzing alien environments. These advancements could completely revolutionize our travel experiences, making them more efficient, personalized, and exciting. The possibilities of AI in travel are virtually limitless. We've taken a deep dive into the future of travel, tracing the timeline of AI's influence and exploring its transformative potential. We've seen how AI can streamline booking processes, personalize travel recommendations, and even pilot aircrafts, all while reducing human error and increasing efficiency. In the airports of tomorrow, AI-powered systems will manage traffic control, ensuring smooth operations and minimal delays. AI will also revolutionize hospitality, with smart hotels tailoring their services to each guest's preferences and virtual concierges providing seamless assistance. But beyond these specific applications, the real magic of AI lies in its capacity to imagine and create experiences that we, as humans, cannot yet conceive. It's about redefining the boundaries of what's possible and reshaping our world in ways we've yet to fully comprehend. As we journey into the future, one thing is clear: AI is set to take us places we've never been before. So are you ready for the ride?